Have you ever wondered how a single vitamin can impact your daily life and overall health? If your nervous system were a network of roads, think of vitamin E as the traffic controller, making sure everything runs smoothly. Without enough vitamin E, this system could get jammed up, leading to problems like impaired coordination, muscle weakness, and in severe cases, even paralysis. It's crucial for everyday tasks and overall ease of movement. Vitamin E also strengthens your immune system. Without it, your immune cells might not function as effectively, making you more vulnerable to infections. Think of it as sending your security team out without backup. Additionally, vitamin E helps protect your red blood cells, which need this nutrient to avoid premature destruction. A lack of vitamin E could lead to anemia, causing fatigue and weakness, but don't worry, it is not cancer nor HIV. Fortunately, you can maintain adequate levels of vitamin E by eating a balanced diet that includes plant-based oils, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Moving on to scurvy, this deficiency is less common today due to better access to fruits and vegetables, but it was a major issue centuries ago. If you were a sailor in the 1500s, scurvy was a real threat due to the lack of fresh produce. This condition results from a deficiency in vitamin C, which is essential for metabolizing proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Without vitamin C, your body struggles to produce collagen, a protein crucial for tissue growth and repair. This deficiency can lead to symptoms like slow wound healing, easy bruising, and even bleeding gums. In severe cases, teeth might fall out, and internal bleeding could occur. Historically, scurvy was a common affliction during long sea voyages when access to fresh fruits and vegetables was limited. The iron deficiency is another common issue. Iron is vital for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. This deficiency affects many people, especially women with heavy menstrual flows, vegetarians, and high-performance athletes. Without enough iron, the body can't produce sufficient hemoglobin, leading to iron deficiency anemia. This condition causes fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath because your cells and tissues aren't getting enough oxygen. Additionally, iron deficiency can reduce brain function since the brain uses a significant amount of the body's energy. However, it's essential to balance iron intake because too much iron can be toxic. Good sources of iron include fortified cereals, eggs, dried fruits like apricots and raisins. Vitamin D deficiency is another concern, particularly in areas with limited sunlight, such as Greenland, where polar nights occur. During these periods, the sun doesn't rise above the horizon for weeks. Vitamin D is crucial for mood regulation and well-being, and a lack of it can lead to depression. Additionally, vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. Without enough vitamin D, you might experience conditions like osteomalacia in adults or rickets in children, which can lead to skeletal deformities. To prevent these issues, include fatty fish like salmon and tuna, egg yolks, fortified milk, and cereals in your diet. Vitamin B12 is another critical nutrient, especially for those on a plant-based diet. This vitamin is essential for making DNA and producing red blood cells. Without adequate vitamin B12, red blood cells can become large and ineffective, leading to megaloblastic anemia. Symptoms include fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Prolonged deficiency can cause nerve damage, leading to tingling, numbness, difficulty walking, memory problems, and even depression or dementia. Vitamin B12 is stored in the liver, so it can take years for deficiency symptoms to appear. Vegans and vegetarians are at higher risk of B12 deficiency because plant-based diets often lack this vitamin. Calcium deficiency is another concern, particularly for maintaining strong bones. Without enough calcium, you're at risk of developing osteoporosis, a condition characterized by low bone mass and frequent fractures. Calcium also plays a role in muscle function, and a deficiency can cause muscle cramps and weakness. This is particularly problematic for older adults, as bone density naturally decreases with age. Good dietary sources of calcium include dairy products, leafy, green vegetables, fortified plant-based milk, and certain nuts and seeds. Additionally, ensure you get enough vitamin D to help with calcium absorption. Iodine deficiency was once a significant global issue, but iodized salt has greatly reduced its prevalence. Iodine is crucial for thyroid hormone production, which regulates metabolism, growth, and development. Without enough iodine, the thyroid gland enlarges, causing a goiter, which makes the front part of the neck swell. Severe iodine deficiency during pregnancy can lead to intellectual disabilities and developmental abnormalities in the fetus. Thankfully, iodized salt has largely eliminated this problem in many parts of the world. Vitamin A deficiency is often associated with vision problems. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of the cornea and retina, and a deficiency can lead to night blindness, where the eyes struggle to adjust to low light. In severe cases, it can cause complete blindness, particularly in children. Vitamin A also supports growth and development, so deficiencies can lead to stunted growth and developmental issues. You can get vitamin A from animal sources like liver, egg yolks, and dairy products, as well as from plant sources. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are crucial for heart health. A deficiency can increase the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and irregular heartbeat. DHA is also vital for brain function, affecting memory, attention, and cognition. During critical periods like pregnancy and childhood, omega-3 deficiency can impact cognitive abilities and behavior. In adults, it can be linked to cognitive decline and depression. To maintain adequate levels, include sources like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts in your diet. Magnesium is essential for various bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function. A deficiency can lead to frequent muscle cramps and weakness, affecting performance and recovery. Magnesium also regulates glucose and insulin levels, so a deficiency can contribute to insulin resistance, leading to type 2 diabetes. Magnesium deficiency is often called the invisible deficiency because its symptoms can be vague and easily overlooked. Good sources of magnesium include whole grains, nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and certain types of fish. Finally, zinc is vital for immune system function. A deficiency can weaken the immune response, making you more susceptible to illnesses like pneumonia and diarrhea. Zinc also affects taste and smell, and a deficiency can reduce your ability to experience flavors and aromas. Over 1 billion people worldwide are affected by zinc deficiency, with those having chronic illnesses or gastrointestinal disorders at higher risk. Zinc is found in meat, seafood, legumes, and fortified cereals. Remember to maintain a balanced diet to avoid these deficiencies and stay healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Speedy Secrets for more gripping content. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth stories like these. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.